Hello everybody and welcome to a Canon 70D tip. Today we're going to be learning how to use your iPad as an intervalometer for absolutely free. This is especially useful if you're trying to do time lapses outside. A while back I posted a video on how to use your MacBook as an intervalometer for your Canon 70D. A couple of the comments that I got was that this wasn't portable or it needed a router for everybody to connect to the same Wi-Fi, and if there was a more mobile solution. So here's a version where all you need is your iPad and your Canon 70D. No other routers, and you can be anywhere you want. They connect via Wi-Fi. The first thing we're going to do is install two apps on our iPad. The first one is Apple's Testflight app, and the second one is a software called ControlMyCamera. Pick up your iPad and search for Testflight. Install it from the App Store. This is an official Apple app for developers, so it's perfectly safe. After you've done that, search on Google or on your iPad for ControlMyCamera all together. It'll take you to a Google page where you're looking for a link that says ControlMyCamera Testflight. So in this case, it's the second one. When you click on it, you go to a web page that has a green link that says ControlMyCamera Testflight Build. Press on that green link. It will open it within the Apple Testflight app. You can accept the installation, let it download, and then open the software. You'll see the main page where you have a couple of Wi-Fi symbols on the top. Now we can put our iPad down and pick up our Canon 70D. What we're going to do is connect the iPad to the Canon 70D via Wi-Fi. Press the menu button and keep going right until you reach the third wrench menu. We're going to go down to Wi-Fi and we're going to enable it. Go down to Wi-Fi function. In my case, I already had my Canon 70D connected to my iPhone, so what I'm going to do is exit that function. If you didn't have anything connected, or you're connecting for the first time to an iPhone or an iPad, you can also see a Canon 70D tip I have on the channel specifically to connect for the very first time. We're going to press Connect to Smartphone. And given I already have a smartphone set up, which is my iPhone, we're going to press on Choose Set. We're going to go down to Unspecified because Set 1 is my iPhone. We're going to press on that. We're going to go to Camera Access Point Mode, Easy Connection. Now that we've reached this screen, we're going to go to the iPad and connect to the Wi-Fi SSID that appears there. So in my case, it's C70D. I'm going to enter Wi-Fi settings. It's going to find the C70D network. And when I press on it, it's going to ask me for a password. I'm going to put the exact password that's on the Canon 70D screen. When I press join, you see that the Canon 70D screen has now moved on to start the EOS app on the smartphone. We're not going to start the EOS app. We're going to start again ControlMyCamera. Now on the top, there's a couple of Wi-Fi symbols and one of them says Canon. Press on that one. And you'll see that the Canon 70D is found and it changes the screen. And it asks if you are allowing it to see all images. Press OK on the Canon 70D. You can give this set a name. To make it easier, I'm going to call it iPad so that I can split it from the iPhone one. Press OK, OK again, and you can press exit. And you can exit the menu and go to picture mode. On your iPad, you can see that the screen has also changed. Now it is in the camera screen. If you press on the top left, the LV, it shows the live view mode of your Canon 70D. So here I'm pointing it at a Lego figure, so that's exactly what you're going to see on your iPad screen. To use your iPad as an intervalometer, on the right part of the iPad screen, more or less in the middle, you have a watch that looks like a timer symbol. Press on that button. You're going to go into the interval timer menu. Now what you see is that you have on the top left, frame count and interval. The frame count is the number of pictures that you want to do. So that, in this case, for the experiment, I'm going to write 5. And the interval is set at 2 seconds. Now to start it off, just press on the button Start, also on the left. You'll see that it takes 5 pictures with an interval of 2 seconds. If it's the first time you're using it, you'll see that it asks for permission to access your photos on your iPad. You can give it access to all photos. As always, if you want more tips for your Canon 70D, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.